Hiking in London Club in Fryent Country Park Walk. This walk takes you through the beautiful Fryent Country Park, located in the London Borough of Brent. The route covers a distance of approximately 4 miles and takes around 2 hours to complete at a leisurely pace. The walk starts and ends at 2 different underground stations, Preston Road and Kingsbury. To start the walk, take the Metropolitan line to Preston Road station and exit onto Preston Road. The park is just a short walk away from the station, and there are signs directing you to the park entrance. Once inside the park, follow the path through the rolling fields and small woods, taking in the stunning views across London. The walk also takes you through the newly restored Fryent Way, a historic path that has been transformed into a beautiful tree-lined avenue. There are also several ponds and streams along the route, which are home to a variety of wildlife. To finish the walk, take the Jubilee line to Kingsbury Station, which is just a short walk from the end of the route. At Kingsbury, you'll find a range of amenities, including shops, cafes, and restaurants. Note: the walk can be completed at any time of year, but it's best to avoid very wet or muddy conditions. There are several steep slopes and steps along the route, so good footwear is recommended. Dogs are allowed in the park, but should be kept on a lead at all times.